Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can tracking an object in CapCut. So just going to tap on new project and select your video that you want to track, and I have been add a project and go to, for example, go to text and add text and just enter that, and you can just for the size so, and then go to color and adjust for the duration until the finish the video. So click the text and you can select tracking option in the bottom. Just select an object to track. So tap on tracking, wait the video for the track. So you can see the result like so. Okay, just simple. That's how to tracking an object in CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.